Hello all the students. Today I will introduce you how to make instant noodle with egg in a very different way. Let's see. So we need very basic ingredients such as instant noodle, eggs, tomato, and some salads. Stir the eggs very well, so to make it soft. So if you put some olive oil to make the instant noodle will not stick together. Make sure the oil is all over the pan surface. So the egg will not stick, and this also make the eggs more juicy. Before you put in the pan. Okay, make sure the oil is all over again. So I just finished the instant noodle with eggs. It's easy, basic, and cheap. You can make it to the girlfriend, you see. And there's one thing, when you eat this, just put instant noodle in the middle of the egg and you roll it with the salads and tomato, and you finish. So if you like it, you like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.